at this. So crazy! Hey guys, it's AmiLin, and today I'm going to make potato chips in the microwave, and I want to see if they're actually going to get crispy. Okay, so I just washed my potato, and I'm going to cut the potato into really thin slices. You'll know that you're doing it right if the potato is a little bit transparent. You'll also need to make an ice bath. So I have this ice here. The reason I'm using this ice bath is because the water is supposed to remove starch from the potato pieces. That way they'll be extra crispy when you cook them. Okay, so the potato slices have soaked for just a minute or two now, and I have a plate here that's microwave safe and a piece of parchment paper. I'm gonna take my potato slice, pat it dry using this paper towel, and place it on the plate. So the potato slices are on this plate in a single layer, and I'm just gonna drizzle on the olive oil. I'm gonna sprinkle on some salt and top it off with rosemary. I'm gonna pop these into the microwave for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out, flip them over, and put them back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. And I'm going to repeat that until they're hopefully golden brown and crispy. Oh my gosh, it worked. This is the finished product. Ooh, I'm slamming the plate, I'm so excited. I cannot believe it worked. I have to give it a try just to double check. I cannot believe I just made them in the microwave. They're so crispy. They kind of taste like kettle cooked chips. It's so crazy. They're probably way healthier than anything you could get at the grocery store, so I would definitely make them again.